This is the front. There's a hole right there. Got the gas line lifted up. But my frame, so this is no issues. But again, down here, no problem there. Looks like it'll go right in the hole. But when I go for this guy, it's lined up with like a ground wire, and it's gonna hit where the clip goes in. So I'm not sure you can see that on their CBI's YouTube videos. I believe it's for a 5.5 bed. Well, I got a 6.5 bed. This CBI rock slider says it's for 6.5, but for some reason I'm gonna run into this bolt for this much, and it's a ground. I wouldn't know where to relocate it. Any ideas?